I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and we have our special friend with us today.
Hi, I'm Jessie.
So what are we going to make today?
We are gonna make fall colored wreaths.
Nice. I love it. So before we begin, we're going to start with one of our breathing techniques to help us stay calm or get calm and relaxed and ready to do our art. So this is going to be an elevator breath where we're going to hold palms up and we're going to breathe in and go up and then breathe out and come down. Okay, again. One more time.
Nice. I feel very relaxed.
Yes. So what do we need for supplies?
So today we're going to need a paper plate, glue or tape, tissue paper, ribbon, a hole punch, scissors.
Right.
Okay,
So
so
what's the first step?
The first step is cutting your tissue paper into squares or rectangle shapes. And they don't all have to be the same size. They just have to be that type of shape.
Okay. I'm using pink and red and yellow. What color are you all using?
I'm using red, orange, yellow, and I think some green.
Yeah, I have an array of a bunch of different ones. I found magenta, or maroon.
Nice.
Right, you can use any color.
Yeah.
Yeah, doesn't have to be fall colors. Could be any color you want.
And so can you show us how to cut the paper plate?
Yes. So next we're gonna cut the plate. So you want to fold your plate in half, and you just want to cut a little bit into the plate. So I'm gonna go.
And we cut ours already.
Right.
Tiny.
Mine didn't really come out to be a circle shape, but I think it's okay.
Anything goes in art.
Yep. I'm gonna cut mine a little bit more.
Okay.
And always remember that if you need help with cutting, you can have a caregiver, a parent, or a friend help you with the cutting.
Yes.
See how this looks. That's good.
Great.
Okay. The next step is at the top of your wreath, you're gonna want to make a little hole. So if you have a hole puncher, you can just hole punch it. But if you don't, you can fold it in half and use your scissors and make a little slit. And this will be to hang your wreath up when you're done, just like that.
Okay. What's next?
The next step is you want to take your glue and you want to start in the inside of your wreath towards the opening. So I'm just going to glue a little bit on the inside. And then
I have liquid glue and I am going to use a paintbrush to do it.
good idea.
I'm just squirting mine out.
All right. And then once you've done that, you can take any color tissue paper you'd like. In the center of your square, you want to put a little bit of glue. Just a tiny bit. And once you've done that, you can crunch it up so it looks like this.
Okay.
And then you'll take that piece and glue it onto the plate.
Ah.
Just like that.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. And now you're ready to go. You can glue all the pieces you want down.
Okay.
Where are you going to hang up your wreaths?
Well, good question. I think I'm going to do it just in case it rains on the inside of my front door.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
How about you?
I think I'm going to put mine in my room. My bedroom needs some more decorations.
I might put mine in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Nice.
Everybody can Yeah.
Okay, mine's coming along.
Nice. This is good. It's nice and easy.
Yes. And relaxing.
Very relaxing.
So it's just kind of pinching the paper together.
Yep. I love the fall colors.
Yeah, me too.
Here's mine.
Ooh, looks good.
Looks really good. So I'm going to work on mine for a while today. Bless
I
you,
know.
Maggie. And
Thank you.
do you want to show us, while we're working on it, how to hang it?
Yeah, definitely. So you have the hole at the top. And I have some string here, so I'm going to cut a piece of string.
Okay. I have a piece of twine that I cut.
Oh, perfect.
And I'm going to get some ribbon for mine.
You're going to just stick the string through the hole. All right. And then tie it in a knot or a bow, however you'd like to tie it.
Okay. Oh, yeah. That's going to work great.
Nice.
And then I have, when I'm finished, all of it, I'm going to glue on at the bottom a little ribbon.
That's a really good idea.
And I suppose you could glue really anything on any part of the wreath. You can make it however. Well, that looks good.
Yep.
Nice. This was fun. I like this idea.
I like it too. Thanks for teaching us.
You're welcome. Here's what it will come out to look like when you're done.
That's
Really
great.
colorful.
I love it. So if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Have fun.
Bye.